Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled.
Hi and welcome to my channel. It has been a while. Much too long, and I must say I have missed being on here. And yeah, I just want to say, if you are new here to my channel, welcome. I have been away because I have been and still are having some kind of thing going on in my body. The doctors can't find out what it is, but I really hope they soon will. I hope you will watch this video, and if you like my channel and moi, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload, and don't forget to smack that little like button if you like my video. And welcome to my family. Help me to get to 1400. We are almost there. If you are a returner, welcome back. It warms my heart. It really warms my heart for the few that have contacted me when in over 2 months I have been sick. The few that has contacted me, thank you so much. Should we see what I got? Today is a Shein Haul. Here in Denmark there's a lot of speaking about maybe we can't buy from Shein, Temu. I don't know when, but they want to in Europe make it even harder for us to buy. I cross my fingers and hope that we can keep on buying, because in Denmark it is very expensive. Let's just see what I got. Here is 2 packages of flowers. I thought they were so beautiful on Shein's website. I just forget to look how many there were. There's only 2 in the packaging, but it is beautiful flower. I like this burgundy color, and that's 4 I can have in a little vase. I hope there was 10, but then I can learn to read the text, and I don't do that all the time. I'll put up pictures here. Yeah. Then let me see. My hamster, he is turning 60 next time here in August, 16th of August. So I bought balloons and banners and all sorts of things. So as you can see here, 60 in black and gold, and all kinds of things like that to put up. We have rented a house where we can have his family come, so I can decorate for him. I think I'll be doing it with his oldest daughter. So, and then I have orchids, and they are really having a great time. But in the plastic pots they're in now, they are too small. Then then you can buy 2. And this, it must be the one with holes in. I know you can make them yourself, but they isn't expensive or anything like that. Maybe I will make some of the holes bigger. So 2, I have 2 orchids, so, and they are just blooming away. Isn't it wild? I have lost almost 30 pounds. I can see it in my face. It's good that I have lost weight, but I'm also a little afraid that it means something else. I had a lot of water in my body, but that's gone. Then I bought 2 of these. It is here on, you can see, I'll put a picture up. It is for your wigs, like a head folded, and this is 2. And I have 3 wigs, and I have 1 of these already. So that's nice to have, so it don't lay around and looking weird. This is a pump for the balloons, so because I don't have lungs for that, so you can pump away. So that I got 2. It came in, what was it, 5 days or something like that, super quick. And then I got a wig cap, because sometimes it's nice to, you know, I got a operation for my eyes, but it's hard for me to make a wing. I don't know if you can see it. I will learn it, okay? Then I got this little booger. Put a picture up here. This you can fold it out and fold the corners up, and then you can have earth on here, small stones or things when you are putting new earth in your plants or just planting things, so it won't be all over the place, and that is nice to have. And of course there's makeup in here too, and because what I want to learn all about making wings, then I had to buy, oh my god, this is open in the one end and the other end. I found this, and you may have seen it. It is to make a wing. I heard that it was good. I didn't know that it was so flimsy, but, and it is in a little container, so you can put it on your your desk, or where you're sitting. And what is this? Let me see. I think this is for the forehead. Because niacinamide forehead patch. Slow. Yeah. I don't know how many there is. 5 is there in this? I think it is just like sheet mask. They're wrapped in, in like that. And you can see there for the forehead. And then your wrinkles should disappear magically. Let's just see if it will. I bought these bands for the balloons for the hamster's birthday in gold, because I like gold. And now we are coming to my funny stuff. Makeup. Look at these nails. Okay, on the internet they look burgundy, reddish brown, but here they look black. But that doesn't matter. It's nice. I'm a little skeptical if they are big enough because I have big nails. But look at my hands. They are not swollen anymore. And the same is my legs are not swollen anymore. I don't know if that's the reason why I lost so much weight. On Line Creamy Eyeliner in black. Let's just open that and see. I have a little Douglas inset here, and that is sharp, so maybe I can open it with that, because I hate all that plastic. It takes a war to open things, and we don't want that. Our time is too precious to sit here and open things. It is looking like this. And in here is a, you can see like that. And so that's a black liner. I have a daughter that's a little picky with the liners she wants to wear. So, and in here is She Glam All the Lashes 8 pair false eyelash sets. And they are big and smaller, shorter, and with butterflies here. More butterflies. I think that's cute. Yeah. And 8 pairs. Poof. I feel like I haven't been making videos for years. Let's just see what's in this, because I don't know. Something that can break. She Glam S-Glide Matte Eyeliner Pencil. Okay, I think that's a black liner too. I got for my daughter also, because of her not liking all the eyeliners I have got her. She liked the expensive ones, but not the other ones. Some of them she does. Okay, let's just see. Look at that. But what when you're coming down? I don't know how to sharpen it. That is a problem. Let me see. The next thing is in bubble. Yeah. That must be something that can break. Ooh, yeah, I know what it is. I know what it is. Ooh. She Glam, the Icon Lipstick, Le Rouge, Le Vert, Icon, Marilyn Monroe. And if there's something I love, XOXO Marilyn. I just love red lipstick. I have always loved red lipstick, so if I don't know what to take on, I'll take a red lipstick, and you can see mascara on my eyes, and that's that. Come on over here. Oh my god, that's hard to get out. Okay, there is a paper here. I don't want that. Oh my god, that was hard to get out. Look at that. It feels like leather. And, oh yeah, lips, kisses, hugs and kisses. No. Ooh. I can't wait to do my Shein makeup. and I will be using this, I'm pretty sure. And then a She Glam Big Time Eye Volumizing Mascara. I will not be opening this today because I have already some opened. Come on, hocus pocus focus. Yeah. So that's a mascara with a thin one. And I have here in Denmark bought some sharpeners, but they have not been good, so I thought, okay, I will buy 2 different ones at Shein, and then I will see if they are actually good. It's like the tiny one is too tiny. I don't know what, if they have different measurements than we have here in Europe. This is the same. I don't get it. I'm pretty sure none of my liners can go in. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Let me see. It can, so okay. It's me that it is a little hard judge. Then my daughter gets one, and I get one. They are exactly the same. Exactly the same. One of them cost maybe 10 cents more than the other. That was all for my haul. My chin. Why is it every time, sorry guys, every time I make a video, I drop something. I don't know why, but I do. And I did today too. What do you think of my Shein haul? It was not a big haul, but it was there, so leave a comment what you think. And I hope that you watch my videos, and I will be putting up videos again. I don't know if I will be up at full time yet, because I never know when it returns and I get ill again, so. But I hope that I am over the worst, so. Thank you for watching. Take good care of each other. Love your family, your friends. Don't forget to appreciate the people who are around you, because I have found out it is not, people are not just there. They are not. So, yeah, have a fantastic day wherever you are. And don't forget, guys, I love you. Bye. See you soon. Bye.